Hey everybody, welcome back to Zach Tech Reviews. On this channel we look at tech, mobile accessories and gadgets, and earlier today I got the update from my OnePlus 5T that the Android 8.0 or Android Oreo update is available. There are some subtle changes and some animation changes, and I wanted to go through the update process here and give you guys an idea of what has changed here and what you can kind of expect. For the most part, it's cosmetic and just some slight, I would call subtle convenience changes. So one thing we're going to find in the update are account badges. So right now, for example, if I look at my Gmail or even my Twitter right here, I don't have a count of how many notifications or whatever that I've missed. As you can see up here, I do have some Twitter notifications here. With this new update, you're going to get an update badge at the top there or next to the icon. So that's one of the changes we can expect to see here. So this is kind of a before, and we're going to see the after. The other change we can expect to see here, and once I do the update, are the emojis are going to slightly change here. So we kind of have these blob, looking emojis right now. Apparently these are going to change, so we'll go ahead and do the update and we'll take a look there. With the pull down menu here, we'll also see some other changes. Right now, you can pull down your notifications and you can pull to the side here and you can actually go into your settings here for your notifications. Apparently there is a new snooze mode, so when we pull that over, we'll get a new option next to this cogwheel right here, so we can actually snooze a notification if we want. So let's go through here and do the update. Now, in case anybody's wondering, I am in Canada, so I did get the notification probably about 2 or 3 hours ago. And we'll go into the settings here, and we'll go right to the bottom. System update, you can see right here. Go ahead and click that. Check for updates. So you can see here, upgrade Android version to Oreo 8.0 applications. So there's new launcher, new gallery, new weather, new file manager, and within the system, new design for quick settings, general bugs and fixes, and of course, security patch. So let's go ahead and download that now. And you can see we're about a third of the way here at about 34%. And you can see we're about 3/4 of the way there, just past 75%. Once you get to 100% here, you're going to get the option down here at the bottom here to reboot and to upgrade. So we're going to go ahead and hit that. And Android system update will begin to process. So basically just put your phone down and wait for it to do its thing. And so as you can see, the phone will reboot, start itself back up. Of course, make sure you have all your data set up. And you can see here, updating, please wait, do not turn off your phone. So we'll just sit here and wait. Once it does the reboot animation there, you're going to get your regular startup animation here from OnePlus. We'll go ahead and let that finish up here. Once you get through your basic animation startup there with the OnePlus 5T, you're going to get back to your unlock screen, enter your code, and here we are. As you can see here already, some changes at the top here. You can see here with that animation change here, but you can also see I can go straight into my settings now from the top right here rather than pulling down twice. So if you remember, on the old version, you actually had to pull down twice and you hit the settings menu up here. Now I can do that just from a single pull, go straight into all my settings. So I just want to show you guys that I am actually on Android Oreo now. We're going to go into our settings here, go all the way to the bottom, about phone. You can see here, Android, let's go ahead and get that to focus there for you guys. Android 8.0, Oxygen 5.0.2. Again, if you click on the Android here a few times, we're going to get our Oreo here. We'll click on that a few times. There we go. Get our little octopus here. And of course, you can control him here with your thumb or whatever. But of course, we know Android O is Oreo, not octopus. But hey, makes it fun. If you recall, I also showed you guys earlier how you could pull down your notifications here and you could pull over and you could adjust or you could snooze them. So now I can snooze that if I want to. I can pick your time right here. Right now I have 1 hour, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours. We'll go ahead and undo that. So now you can snooze your notifications. If you also recall the notification dot there, so at the top here, I do have a Instagram notification right here next to the Instagram logo here. I do have a dot. So again, you can long press this and you can actually customize this if you need to, uninstall, edit, whatever you need to do there with that type of notification. Quite handy. If you recall, the emojis earlier did look different. Now we have normal looking round emojis rather than those blobs that we had before, so that's quite nice. It'll be nice to finally have things that look kind of normal here on my screen, so that's quite nice there. There are some of the changes there with Android 8.0 Oreo. Let me know down in the comment section here, did you get the update yet on your OnePlus 5T? If so, let me know what country. And if you guys found this video informative or helpful, please leave a thumbs up. Think about hitting that subscribe button as well, and we'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Cheers.